I'm outside, guys. Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning live in Turkey. You are on with Shinalimsky. You are on with Shinali Greats. And it's real life with Shinalimsky. No sugarcoating, no editing. Just as it is. Yeah. It's Saturday, and you know, weekend for me are for relaxation and enjoyment. So it is what it is, as you all know. Today I don't really have much for today's Saturday because I'll be chilling all day. I'll be sleeping. I decided to bring my puppy out for a walk. And after this, I will go take a shower, take my bath, take some meds because my back is really aching me. After that, I'll sleep all day, eat good food. Today I'll be eating vegetable. I'll be eating all vegetables today because it's Saturday is what I do. Not feeling too good, but I decided to come and show you my face. That's an airplane. Decided to come show you my face, and I don't know what you're going through. I don't know if you're stressed. I don't know if you're not happy right now, or you are sick, facing one challenge or the other. I don't really know, but you are going to be all right. If you want to be all right, you are going to be all right. Whatever your challenges are, financial challenges, loneliness, maybe you're sick or something, I don't know, or you're jobless, you don't have anything to do. I promise you, you can fix yourself up. Yeah, you can fix yourself up. You can do better. Yeah, let's not make life too difficult for us, you know. Let's not make life too difficult for us. You can do better. You can use whatever you have to be who you want to be. Yeah? Yeah. I don't have much, but I have me. I got me. And it's enough. It's enough. It's enough. I've got me, and it's enough. Even if I don't have anything to eat right now, I've got me, and it's enough. Yeah, it's really enough. Sometimes I stress myself over shit. In the past. Back then when I was in Nigeria, I stressed myself over shit that don't mean shit to me. If you know what I mean. I'm outside. I don't know if the microphone is clear enough. I don't know if you can detect my voice, if you can hear me very well. But it is what it is. Like I told you, I'm not going to edit any shit. I just put it live because I'm using my GoPro. I just put that shit up there on YouTube and all platforms for you guys. So this is how my day is going. Rico is there walking around the old green grasses. What are you doing? And it is what it is. I think we'll be going back home because we've been walking up and down the whole complex. So I think I'll be going home now, and I just want you to have a good day. I just want you to enjoy your day. You can tell me anything, put your comments below when I finally upload this on my channel. You can talk to me, whatever the case may be. Talk to me. I might tell you something that will make your day a beautiful one. Just like mine, you know. Shinali Greats, you're on Nate. What is going on, nigga? Rico. This shit is on his leg. I'm gonna fix it. Rico, hold on, boy. We are going on. We are going on, guys. I know you can see me. What's wrong with this dog? What is wrong with you, Rico? Make sure you have a beautiful weekend, okay? If you want to sleep the whole weekend, sleep. Because that's what I'll be doing. Just chilling. You know? I'm gonna blow some pop. Then eat my vegetable with some egg sauce. And take a hot bath. Enjoy the weekend. I don't know, my baby might be coming over. I don't know. She's not feeling too good, but I don't know if she'll be coming over for the weekend. I'm hoping she comes because my back really hurts. I need some massage. My back really hurts. My back hurts pretty bad. And I wish she could be here this weekend so we can do this. Now we do. Yes, I'm here at Elevator. I'm going to leave you guys right now. Enjoy your day. I love you. Make the best of every day. Make every day count. That's what matters. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Don't let anybody tell you shit. You deserve the best and more. Yeah, deserve the best and more, like I said. That's us and that's we. That's us and that's we. I don't like what you are doing. Why are you ranting me up and down? Hey! God. Glad than I see your face. Oh, you're so fast. This is what Rico did. Just immediately when I brought him out, he pee on my doorstep. I'll go get the mop now. Clean that shit up. Guys, I'll see you when I see you, okay? We are home. We love you. God bless you. Enjoy your weekend. Bye. Ciao, ciao.